Welcome! If you've ever wanted to find and share those perfect GIFs with a friend on Telegram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to quickly access and browse common GIFs with any of your contacts. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head to the chat with the contact you want to share GIFs with. If you don't see their chat right away, simply use the search bar at the top to type their name and select them from the results. Now that you're in the conversation, look at the top of the screen. Tap on your contact's profile picture or their name. This will open up their profile and a menu with several options. Here's where the magic happens. Along the top, you'll see a horizontal list of tabs. Swipe through until you find the one labeled GIFs. Tap on this tab, and you'll instantly see a collection of GIFs that you and your contact have shared in this chat. It's a quick way to revisit those funny, memorable, or expressive animations you've both enjoyed before. If you're looking for something new, you can also search for GIFs right from the chat bar. Just tap the emoji or sticker icon near the message box, then select the GIF tab. Here, you can use keywords to find the perfect animation for any mood or moment. The search is powered by Giphy, so you'll have thousands of options at your fingertips. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can browse your shared GIF history, or search for something fresh to make your conversation even more fun. Try it out the next time you want to add a little extra flair to your Telegram chats. Thanks for watching and happy GIF sharing!